Just Buggin. Congratulations, Gary.
You got a new road.
Pavement.
Yes.
Every time we come out to Gary's house, we're in the Challenger or the Suburban, which has a little bit of a suspension. This has no suspension.
Yeah.
But look, it's paved.
Oh my God. Pothole City is not Pothole City no
That's
more.
awesome. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's up, Gary?
Hey, we love your new road out there.
That's
Yes.
Beautiful
That's
asphalt,
it's
man.
awesome. They widened it too. It's about damn time.
They're supposed to do this one too.
I was gonna say
Sweet.
I figured they were gonna come back and do this one.
So we brought it.
Cool. That's what I like to see. More beetles on the road.
Hell yeah. Get you a 13 little
That's it.
butthead. No, it isn't. That's not the freaking rattle I'm hearing. It's like something up there. You got a gas cap gasket? You got no seal.
Gasket for that.
Yeah.
Let's put that on your Christmas wish list.
Yeah. Well, we don't drive it that often, so every time we get in it, we remember things.
Anything impossible, we would have to dig a little.
What the hell is that f***ing rattle?
The hood. It's a hinge. Yeah,
It's
gotta be.
Okay, that's
It sounds like
That
inside.
is another item that's rare.
VW on
It
it?
says VW on it.
That's what it is.
So we could go out there and dig for hours in them tubs I got and maybe find a cap.
I'll find a gasket I can see in there. There's something
I
that's
saw a
diameter.
bunch of them at the car shows. I don't know, there might be one out there with a gasket in it, but we'd have to dig for a while.
Yeah, it's all right. I didn't fill it up because I knew the gasket. And every time we're at the swap meet, we don't think about the gasket. We'd be looking. Nothing like a beetle and a bottled Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Here.
You don't get it. Here, take
Give me
that
mine.
one.
Thank you.
There we go. Yeah, that's badass. Isn't it?
Yeah, that'd be fun. Yeah, you gotta bring this.
Yeah, you gotta find it.
You gotta bring this.
And we get in there and he's sitting back and he can film everything.
Yeah.
We'll do that.
Put a GoPro right here.
Hell yeah. What day is all the races and everything?
Saturday.
Saturday?
That's the big day that everybody's coming from
Okay, so we go
upstate.
Saturday morning and hang out Saturday night with everyone and then come back Sunday.
Got a oh shit handle. You're gonna be holding on to that, aren't
It's
you?
your scooter handle.
That's what I said.
Yeah. Oh, it really is a scooter handle. Oh shit. That's ingenuity right
Is
there.
that made for that or somebody put a
No,
scooter
that's a
handle?
scooter.
That's made for it. I bought that at a swap meet in Tennessee years ago. That's what it
Oh, a
was.
scooter handle.
It does look like a
Got
scooter
a
handle.
sandblast on that powder coated.
You got a box too?
That's a toolbox.
Oh, that's cool.
And see, you got your 5-point harness, so you'll be strapped in, you'll be fine.
Oh yeah. Do we don't need helmets, do we, or do we?
No.
No. Okay.
See, that's all 5-point on the back seats for the kids. I've only got 4-point on the front. I don't have the cross strap on.
Well, he's a kid, so
I'm building all of this. All the foot, you put your feet on it, it holds you in place.
he's secured up over right there.
Yeah.
You put it anywhere.
Yeah, I can put it right there because it's a
flat.
flat surface. Yeah, that'd be perfect. Yeah. Sweet. Put that one right there.
That rail there, you want to hear a big motor, this thing fire it up.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
What's this guy in?
I'll open that door so it ain't so.
Yeah.
What's this guy in?
Dalton said, look at that.
2276.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, it looks good.
A what?
2276.
Oh shit.
Baja Super Beetle that came over, what is it, 2276?
Something like that.
Look out, Michael.
Yeah, watch out, Michael.
Yeah, watch out.
Wagens Through Withlacoochee, here we come.
And I think we're gonna camp Saturday night. So we'll be there all day Saturday. We'll set up tent and camp. Hell yeah. Instead of just bugging, we'll be just railing.
Just railing. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah,
That'd be really
show
cool.
up Saturday morning and sounds good.
Yeah, dude.
Big deal.
You think this will get Josh coming out?
Yeah, 4 seats. You know, your mom ain't gonna get in there. So it could be all of us.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Damn, no pre-ignition, no nothing.
Runs good.
Runs really good. Wonder who built it.
Starts up easier than yours.
Yeah. Yeah, no pre-ignition, no nothing.
Easy to start up, big motor too.
Oh yeah, it'll crank right over. I love it.
Oh yeah.
Don't take much.
I built that motor original motor in 1995.
Damn.
It's been freshened up once since then. All that smoke you see come over, I got the carburetors turned up on it.
Yeah.
And it'll run 6,500 and through the gears.
Huh.
I run it when I run it.
Hell yeah, we'll have some fun.
That'd be fun.
I wouldn't know how to drive it. You can drive the shit out.
That
Well, I mean, I drive, but I mean, I'm not.
You can run it normal. It's not like
You even got a little handbrake too, right?
you gotta be out here in the sand when you need it.
Yeah. So you can slide. That's
I got
cool.
a turn and brake on all my stuff.
There you go. So that's why they do that, huh? So you can
Yeah.
slide around.
You hit it real
You're out
quick.
there in the sand, you're powering into a rail, it's light in the front, it'll push. You just
Yeah.
got a turn brake and you come on around.
Huh. Yeah, I've watched you because, like I said, I don't know how to drive around. I mean, I can drive one around, but I'm not going to know what its limitations are or what you do in it because it's not something I do all the time.
This still ain't where you're gonna go.
Yeah.
There ain't nowhere on the beach to hang this railroad.
How high have you jumped it in the air?
Not very high, not this. It's too that black one battery, I
Yeah.
flipped over backwards. So
Oh shit.
Over the years, I bet that black one battery has been on its top a dozen times. Still
Been on its top.
I got a bus tranny in this because it's so big and heavy.
Yeah. Uh-oh. So you're
girl.
filming me. Did I give you permission?
Did I sign a release
Yeah. Did you give me a sugar cube?
form? Sugar cube.
I'm not
Come over
interested.
here.
What's the name of the talking?
Ed. Mr.
Yeah,
Ed.
Mr. Ed.
Hello, I'm Mr. Red.
That's Ariel out there. She'll talk to you, all right. When she's hungry, she talks to you. But they love grass. They could care less about hay right now. The other one's running around here somewhere. She's
Yeah,
snooping
she's on
around. They're not lacking in each, you can tell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neither one of them.
No, I don't see a bone.
No.
She'd be out of breath trying to ride her. The little one the same way. I don't ride them anymore. They just pets.
The
It's just big, oversized dog.
She said,
But-
you just called me a dog?
Yeah, she was posing. Do I look like a damn dog? Is it like that grass?
You can throw a chunk of hay down there and she'll walk over.
look, she said, "What you looking at?"
Grass is about gone now.
Yeah, they're gonna go dormant soon.
Yeah.
Couple more cold nights.
This ain't cold. Ground isn't frozen. It's not cold.
It's been nice.
That's great.
Turn the heat on, but
Yeah.
66
I've been turning it
degrees?
up.
I had to turn it on because the grandkids are here. But
Right.
I like it.
He didn't worry.
I like it. Wear some sweatpants and a t-shirt, a flannel.
Greg tells us, put on your clothes.
Yeah, we had fireplaces when we didn't even have central heat in that Victorian house I grew up in.
Yeah,
Pretty girl.
I grew up.
I love how they sound on
Fireplace,
concrete.
no AC.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had 5 fireplaces. When I got in trouble, I was out splitting wood.
Yeah. We never.
That's where I met Jerry Calhoun. You know who he is? He's a multi-millionaire that owns all those celebrity coaches in Leesburg.
Yeah,
Where
I heard the name.
Randy Rhodes died.
Yeah.
Plane crash back in the early 80s. My dad used to take me out there when I was like 10, and he had like 1,000 acres. And y'all here for some wood? And he goes, yep, go out there and find you a tree. We found a lighter knot, a dead ass tree once. It was just a whole tree with nothing but lighter knot. Dropped that thing, it was like dropping a chandelier from a 40-foot ceiling. It shattered like a glass bottle. Buckets of splinters, and it was the easiest way to start a fire.
Oh, yeah.
Love some damn grass.
Yeah, she knows that. And she even blows out her nose and clears the leaves
and
off.
blow like a blower.
It's like a lawnmower.
Yeah.
Like a damn Billy.
See, you don't
It's like a damn really good.
you don't go around and cut your grass, do you?
Do you ever have to pull out lawnmower?
Yeah, every now and then.
Once in a
Every
while.
now and then.
If I left them out 7 days a week, I wouldn't have no grass. I only let them out on Saturday and Sunday.
Right.
That's why there's no grass in that whole field over there.
Yeah,
They
that
ate it
field
all.
was like this when I put them out there.
Do you ever have to trim its whatchamacallit?
Sheila feet.
Yeah.
Feet just got done.
Yeah, because
About
I've
every
seen.
6 weeks.
Okay, because I've seen a video
that
of
cost?
it.
Yeah, a dozen for $30 a piece, which is cheap. A lot of guys charge $50 a horse now. He does them $30 a piece.
For the horse or the foot?
The
30
foot.
bucks a foot?
The horse.
Okay.
Oh,
30 bucks a foot.
because that would have been kind of expensive.
Damn, I ain't doing it for that.
Thoroughbreds, they charge $100.
What do they do it with? Like a sander?
No, but it's so satisfying when they do it.
Snippers.
Yeah.
Snip them. That's the nippers.
Yeah.
And then they'll run a file or a rasp around to smooth it back out.
It looks like it would hurt, but
I'm serious. And then he only does it down inside of it? Because everything else is hard. That's just like fingernail on
He's
the
taking about
inside.
3/8 of an inch off there, not even that.
And the horse doesn't care.
No, she don't care. The reason why is I'm standing.
But they
there
actually
giving her
like
treats
it,
all
huh? Because they're like, finally, and they feel like they're on new shoes.
the time. Now the little one will go to sleep.
go to sleep.
She wants a treat. The front's rough. You get to the back, you gotta give her a treat, take her mind off it. She don't want that back leg picked up. I've been around these things my whole life. I've never had two quite like these, and this one's different than all of them. Most horses like this right here, they're not gonna come up here. They're going out there.
Yeah, the opposite.
They don't-
Thing follows me around.
We used to go to Maggie Valley. My grandparents had a cottage up on the mountain there, and they took us down to ride some horses. And I think I was like 8, 7 years old, and my sister is 4 years older than me. She was on the front, and I was sitting on the back. And I'd just seen too many Western movies, I guess. And they were
smacked the
going
air.
heading back to the barn, and I'm like, I didn't want to go back. I wanted to ride, so I just started kicking that thing,
Yeah.
and that freaking thing took off. Tracy's trying to pull the reins back. Horse don't care. They come running off beside us like in the movies. Slow us down. And I got in trouble. I was like, I
You
just
gotta worry
wanted to
about
go riding some more.
She don't want to ride nobody anymore.
I don't blame her.
She don't want to ride nobody.
How she can eat that much grass and not be thirsty? Well, need something to wash it down.
That ain't nothing.
Need something to wash it down.
I mean, look at it. It's got to go up.
Yeah, go off that whole neck.
Stop. She ain't stopped since we was standing.
No, she has not. She hasn't even taken a breath. That's funny.
You ready?
Yeah.
Ride out in the Beetle.
So we happened to see this beetle on the way here, somewhere up here on the left. And Gary said he's seen it before when he untarped it. Right there. Hey man, so where we at?
Gator Joe's. Your mom and I used to come here as kids or teenagers, hang out at the shoreline right there. We figured we're out here at Gary's. It's on the way home.
Get some live music. Now let's see what we're gonna eat. It's been forever since I've been here.
All kinds of good stuff.
Yeah, they do. Check it out. Hey man, so here's a little bit of the history.
People don't know this is right down the street from where Ma Barker and the gang was killed. I didn't realize this was been here this long. Johnson Beach, it's always been called Johnson Beach. It's been an establishment since 1926.
Big Joe Burger.
Oh yeah.
Big Joe Burger. Yeah, Big Joe Burger. Yum, yum, yum. Hey man, so we had a good time at Johnson's Beach.
Oh yeah.
Got some good grubbing at
Yep.
Gator Joe's. Check them out.
And so we will be at the
Wagons Through Withlacoochee.
There you go.
And hopefully Gary will be there with his four-seater.
Yeah, he's got 3 or 4 motors to put together, and parts just came in, so he really wants to be there Saturday, and hopefully he does. But either way, we're going to show up.
Yep,
And if,
just for one day.
he shows up, we'll be filming in the backseat of that 4-seater RailBuggy.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the no-do videos. They're still coming. One little old me trying to get them all edited.
Yeah, yeah.
And BugJam. Can't forget BugJam.
No, so during the holiday months, you'll be watching all these.
Yep.
So,
Now it's time to head home. Got the rag top closed because we're getting some sprinkles, as you guys see. But man, we need to put some cushion in
yeah,
it.
we got to do something to this other than just throw a motor in it and start driving. But hey, got to get all those cars done. So
Yeah.
we're last in line.
Now check the link out in the description for Wagons Through Withlacoochee.
Yep, and y'all be there.
Be there, be
It's gonna
square.
be a blast.
Yeah, well. Hey guys, it's Dalton. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We had a great time going on a little Sunday cruise over to Gary's house. Just chill and also discuss about him possibly coming to Wagens Through Withlacoochee. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that. Also right here, as you're seeing, some footage from the pre-run that Michael Shores, Jeffro, Olivia, and Megan all did recently. They went over to Holder Mine Campground where it will be held, and they went on the trails and took some great pictures for you guys. So definitely check all the links down in the description if you guys are interested in possibly coming to this event. It's going to be a great time. This will most likely be an annual event, so stay tuned for the future. But yeah guys, we can't wait. It'll be our first time doing something off-road. We wish we could spend the entire weekend, but we've just been going to so many events. It's time to just relax a little bit, so we're just going to pop over for one day and have a good old time. And hopefully we'll get to see some of you guys out there with your rail buggies and dune buggies. So yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, and have a just buggin' of a day.